Hello friends, in today's video we're going to be pouring concrete into the foundation which we dug. Um, we're going to be using a C25 concrete, and the area we need to cover is 6 cubic meter. So it's around about 90 pound cubic meter. So the concrete we needed was 6 cubic meter. Right, once we achieve the maximum level of concrete, we're going to be using a spirit leveler to uh, tap it down as well as to level the concrete. Right, as you can see, the existing foundation exposed, so we're gonna fill the trenches and level it with the existing foundation, which you can see sticking out on right there. In our case, from the existing footing to the bottom of the trench is gonna be around about 70 centimeter, and this C5 grading concrete is suitable for double extension as well, double story. So to start off with, we can extend the kitchen on a ground level, and in future we can build on top of it as well. Uh, so this foundation, this concrete will be more than enough, and it will be strong enough to it will be strong enough for us to um, have the double story in future. Right, the tip of the day is that if you mix the concrete yourself, fine. If you order it and the lorry comes, uh, before he starts pouring into the wheelbarrows, make sure that the computer is all reset. The reading on the computer uh, where he's mixing the concrete, because they mix it on site, the computer reading has to be 0, um, so that they don't charge you any extra money. It's very important, very important. Sometime if you don't check the meter, if you don't check the readings on the meter, um, they can charge extra. Okay, so that's something to look for. When the mixer lorry turned up, the guy gave us 1 hour, and so we had 1 hour to fill all the trenches and complete the job within 1 hour. And he said that he can stay longer than 1 hour, but it's gonna be £2 per minute, so you have to be quick when the mixer lorry comes with the concrete. So more people, the quicker you can do your job. Okay. The weather wise, we are very lucky. It's nice and dry, not too sunny, not too cold. Uh, so So that was our good luck. So make sure you check the weather forecast before ordering your concrete. So this foundation we can build on it um, next day. The following day you can start doing the walls without any issue. It's gonna be dry enough by then. Okay, once you achieve the maximum level of like the required amount you needed, you can move the concrete with the shovel, and then you can use a broom as well to move the concrete about. And finally, as I mentioned, that you can use a spirit level to tap it down as well as level at the same time. So here you can see that I'm moving the concrete about and also making sure that it's leveled. Okay friends, thank you very much for watching the video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.